Hi everyone, my name is Lei. Today I'm gonna to present one important AWS service. We call it Elastic Load Balancing. Two objects is one, I will introduce ELB, and then I will use ELB to scale application URL. A ELB is like a web traffic manager to allocate incoming application traffic dynamically. There are two types of the ELB. One is classic load balancer, another is application load balancer. They are based on the different application level. If we look at the typical architecture, we log into the computer, and in the cloud service, we go through the router. There are two ELB balancer assigned there. They will pass through the traffic to different EC2, and the out-scaling part will help them to allocate it. Before they allocate it, they will test it how many EC2 server is available to allow the traffic go through. Then we'll allow the traffic to pass through to different application. The price is like other AWS service. It only pay for what you use, and will charge by hour, and also charge for each gigabyte pass through. For instance, in Virginia region, Elastic balances charged by 0.025 hourly, and another $0.008 will charge for per gigabyte data pass through. Okay, let's prepare for the incoming lab. We need to run EC2 instance, a server called web server and a queue server. Another is IAM role. We attach to security group we use, as we cannot use public IP address. We need security. So now let's go to start the lab. Let's just log into the website. In the console, we just in the service, we choose EC2. Let's just click on the steps. In the left-hand side, load balancers. In the section, we just enter and create load balancing. Click the classical one, as we just test about the basic. Now we name it like data store. LB, leave it as default, and check about load balancing protocol and the port, also instance, and then we click next. In security group function, we just take the two we have first chosen, and click configuration, and we receive a warning that you need to be secure. We use HTTPS SSL to secure the private IP, and for our lab, it's just okay to use the HTTP. We click on the list pin health check. We choose the TCP, and the port is 80. It's all right. Advanced details, we just leave it default. The two pre-created EC2 is running the moment. Take them and click next text tag. We input the ELB in the key. Okay, just view and create. As I already created before, let's just see what happened. In load balancing interface, we can see we have got the new one, and the instance is run from out of service to in service. And now let's test about the availability. Before that, we have created an image group called public, or script image, and the content is inside it. So should we add it into the path one? Now we just paste it, the IP address, and put this image folder at the end. Now we got about this homepage, and the server is like this one. If we refresh it, we got a new one. The ELB will dynamically allow to allocate it. Then we test again. Okay, we complete this one successfully. Thank you for watching. Okay.